Welcome back to another Modaufy Garage quick tip, and today we're looking at windscreen wiper replacement. So changing the wipers is really easy. So before you change the wiper, all you need to be aware, firstly you need to find the correct replacement wiper. If it's, you go online and you go to your local auto parts store, but you don't really need any, you don't need to pay anybody to change them. It's simple as pulling the wiper up off the car, so having a look at it, and then really having a look at the clip. Now this is a Subaru, and so on these Subarus and local cars like Commodores and Falcons, maybe some Toyotas, I'm not sure, you just have to be mindful of what this one is. But on this particular car, it's just a little clip under here, you press it, and then the whole thing just pops out like that, as simple as that. So all you can see is like a hook, and then you've got that little clip. Now some of the European cars might have a different mechanism, but you don't need to worry about what the mechanism is. You just need to understand how to pull it out. So, you know, as I said, the Subarus, Falcons, Commodores, maybe some other Japanese cars have a very similar system to this. They're easy. All you need to do is, when you're looking for new wipers, you're looking for wipers that are pretty much the same length. And you can see that these ones are the same length. In this particular case, I bought these wipers online as a kit, and all I do is lift up that tab, and I've got that little locking mechanism in here. All I'm pretty much going to do is pull this under here like so, and click it into place. I heard that click. Put this back down, and put it down like that, and that's the driver's side done. Let's get on to the passenger side. Okay, so here we have the passenger side. Again, lift it up and pull it to the side, and I've got this little tab under here. Pull on it, and then it should, if it's not stuck, come down like so. Put the replacement one on. Forgot to tell you on the other one. Take the protective plastic cover off. Again, in this one, lift this tab up. Now, in this particular case, I'm putting this one towards the rear of the car because it looks like it's got, you know, for aerodynamics or maybe something like that. Again, line it up as best as you can, and you hear it. You go in, you hear the click, put the cover back down, and it's simple. Done. Now let's get to the back. Some cars like a hatchback, SUVs, they're going to have the rear wiper as well. So these are just as easy to change, or it is on this Subaru. It's literally, you know, lift it up, turn it to the side, just give it a bit of a pull, and then it should just slide out like this. Done. Simple. Take the new one, put it down on the top. Now just get the camera over here. See these little clips under here? So what I'm aiming for is to put this in the middle of here. So that just comes in there. Push it in like so. You should hear it click like that. There you go. Done. Finished. Take the plastic tag off like that, and the wiper's done. And that's all there is to it. So you can see how easy it is to change the wipers on a car. Just make sure you get the right part numbers and give it a crack yourself. It's really not that hard, and save some money along the way. If you like the video, hit that like button, and if you want to see more videos from Modaufy Garage, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next quick tip video.